Okay, as we keep on going here, making these videos, trying to help some of you understand how things work. I've trimmed away the timber that was on this side. There was only half an inch of play there. I've trimmed that back so I can get in. I've trimmed the timber that was at the back. There was that piece there. That was at the back there, which they had resting against the post so they could hold back the concrete when they did that. That will be held back again by the concrete that goes in once I've got this post done. Now, as you can see on the post, she is less than 1 millimetre thick now. It was 3.5 mil originally. You can tell that by the turn on the side here. That's only 6 mil and 7 mil corner there. So once you bend steel, it's twice the thickness. So to do a right angle on a bend on steel post, that would make that 7 mil radius. So yeah, 3.5 mil thick, that steel originally. Still is the top and underneath the concrete, but right there where those holes are, not even 1 mil thick. Same problem all the way around, and so we have to replace that piece. It's going to take some time to dig out. Okay, no good prepping it yet to put any paint or anything on it, because there's a lot of work to cut that out. That's using the saber saw or all saws, whatever you want to call it. We call it saber saw here, and the grinder to cut through that. First I have to get some support by putting an acro prop with a jack on it to hold that bearer up, so I can take some of the weight off the post, and so when I cut it, it springs away and not falls down. Alrighty, well, I better get into that, and yeah, it's going to take me some time. I'll try and do a couple of videos as I show you pulling that out, because to try and get a 5-inch grinder in there is not easy, and the saw's all saber saw. Without the right blades, you're not getting through. The blades we used to buy, the ones I used to buy 10 years ago, they were brilliant, but the companies changed the product, and those saw blades no longer survive like they used to do. As always, try to make things cheaper, make them so people buy more of them. They're not looking after the customer, looking after their own pockets. I wouldn't mind, like, the prices have gone up, but the quality has gone down. If quality stayed the same, I wouldn't mind so much, but being the quality's gone down, there's the last lot of that brand I'm going to be buying. I'm going to go back to the Bosch, I think. These, you know, they used to be a good brand, these ones, but not anymore. They were the cheapest on the market at one stage, and the best. You used to be able to get one blade. Go for ages. I cut through 300 C channels, through big bearers, timber bearers, cut through almost everything. But now I'm having trouble cutting through timber without it being blunt. Like the amount of effort it took me to cut through these pieces of 2-inch timber is crazy. For one of those blades, I used to do that all day with one blade. Now the cuts I've just done, that blade's virtually finished, and for the price of it, it definitely is not worth the money. So I will change. After 15 years of using their products, I've had enough. No more. Okay, talk to you guys again soon. Bye.